students. Recently we have done the chapter force and pressure, and in this chapter we have discussed so many activities. I have demonstrated you all, and some of them have done very beautifully. Still in holidays, now homework will be given, and I will give you two chapters. One of them will be this activity based. So the one activity again I am going to demonstrate you here, and that will be compulsory for you all. Okay, all will send me the pics after the completion of holidays. So what is the activity? You know the pressure exerted by liquid, the properties of pressure exerted by any liquid. So we have discussed two properties there. That first one, it increases with height of water column. You have to prove it. Second, at any point it is same in all directions. So how you will perform this? First of all, take this type of bottle, simple bottle, plastic bottle you can take. Now mark here three levels, one on this side, one on this side. Say two holes at the same level, little bit above, two holes here on this periphery at the same level, then above this two holes at the same level. So means we have make holes here at three different levels. One is the bottom, above, and above this. Okay, so how we will observe the now pressure here, liquid pressure? We will pour the water into the bottle and keep it in any particular. You can take any help of any support. You can place it on any table like this, and when you will place this here, then water will start coming. You can press it here gently, and you can observe water will start coming from the three different leveled holes. Okay, so what does it mean? It means, and now note down that the fallen water at the ground, right? So mark that positions. What you will observe? You will observe now what that the water, for example, here is the bottle, and from the first level, second level, and third level. So what you will observe, water will ooze out from the holes. So here you will observe the water will go to the distant position. Here water will go, here water will go to the distant position because the pressure is more at the bottom. Then water will go like this here, little bit less, and here topmost because water is least here, pressure is least here, it will be here. So mark the positions here. Same will happen on this side, that it will go to farther place, it will go here, and it will here. So in this way you can now compare the difference in the pressure. So what does it mean? Here the height of the water column is maximum. So what I told you, that liquid pressure increases with the height of water column. That's why this water, it will, with the pressure, high pressure, it will go up to that place, right? Similarly, now here you can see this height is decreasing, and here you can see the height is less among three. In this way you can do this activity. Okay, second similar activity you can do. Take another bottle, and there you will, what you will do? Only we have to find the liquid pressure is same at any point in all directions. You have to find out. For example, this is only one level you will kept. Here you will make the holes around the all sides, right? Like you have taken the bottle here, one level you have marked, 1, 2, 3 in circle, whole circle you will make the holes. Then gently press, again similar activity, do like this earlier. Now water, observe the water that will fall down. What you will observe? You will, and later on where the water droplets they will fall down, then join these marks in this way. So what you will observe, there will be a complete circle will be formed on the ground. So hence we can conclude that the liquid pressure is exerted at any point, it will be same in all the directions. Okay, so do this activity, and compulsory for you all. Okay, not only this, but do the practice of other activities which I have discussed with you earlier. Okay, thank you. Thanks you all.